Are we not? Are we real? Are we turning to dust? Do you feel what I feel? Have we changed so damn much? Can we heal? You're not saying a word. Oh, it feels so unreal. We lost all ambition for worldly acclaim. With us, nothing moves forward.
Guys, today I will be showing you my wash and go, and I'm just showing you guys how I get my hair all nice and curly. First, I'm going in with my Elbow Botanica conditioner. This is not a leave-in, but I do put it in my hair because it keeps my hair so moisturized throughout the week. And I'm showing you guys my curls and how they're so healthy after I deep conditioned with the Aussie Mega Moist. Oh my gosh, love this deep conditioner. And now I am wetting my hair, and I'm gonna go in with the Texture Cantu conditioner. This one is leave-in, and I don't know, I just like going in both of them. Hair feels more moisturized throughout the week. Next, I'm going in with the Quench Coconut Curls by, I'm not sure which the brand is, but I'll put it down in the link down below. Yeah. Anyways, this is it feels so good in my hair, and it smells amazingly. And this is also, the blue bottle is the same exact brand. I just forgot the name also, so I'm gonna just put that down below. Okay, so the Aunt Jackie's elongation gel, I can't tell if that was what elongated my hair, or was it like the clips that I used and how I dried my hair. But anyways, I don't know how I feel about it. It just made my hair feel really weird. Anyways, I'm drying my hair with a fan, and my hair dried so fast with this. My hair is drying so quick. I'm gonna finish up doing this, and then I'll be back once my hair is dry. Okay, so my hair is dry. It took about like 15 or 20 minutes. Use a fan guy. Going in with my Tegan length retainer serum. This serum smells heavenly, and I use it on my hair religiously because it helps my ends not break. Anyways, this is my finished results. I really hope you guys like this video. I hope it's really easy to understand what I was doing. You guys have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and peace out. Hey.